Hello and welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Ishani here, and first of all, a very happy Women's Day to all of you. If you're new here, I'd love if you'd subscribe to my channel. And today, please excuse me for my voice. Spring has sprung, and so have my allergies. Today is a special day, and so is my project. We have a blog hop, Instagram hop, and a linky party where you can add paper projects which are based on celebrating womanhood, encourage and inspire each other, and spread love. We have amazing and very kind sponsors sponsoring this event. All details are on my blog that is linked down in the description box. The hop is till 22nd March 2020, so be sure to check it out. For today's project, I am combining quilling and stenciling. I start with taking an iris sheet of 6 by 8 inches size, and although you can use store-bought quilling strips, you can also make them yourself. I have taken this red paper and I'm cutting thin strips of 3 mm for my project. I'm going to use this beautiful stencil by one of our sponsors, STAMPlorations, and it's called Wistful. I'll link it down in the description box for you to check out in this store. For stenciling, I'm going to use a red color which is Altenews Crimson for the lips of this lady. And then I will take the darker colors which is Ground Espresso and a black ink for the hair and the eyes. I've taken the blending brush and I'm applying the color all around her hair and the face. And as the layers build up, I will also now use a black color to deepen my hair. As I take off the stencil, I notice that there is an ink mark, and with the sand eraser I try to reduce it. Now coming to the quilling part, I'm going to use these red strips which I cut, and though I had cut this black strips too, I will be using the stash which I had of quilling strips. I'm going to use this glue. In my opinion, any glue which dries clear is perfect for quilling. So just look for a glue which dries clear. What you must remember is that the paper should not be very heavy and not very thin too. A paper which is between 80 GSM and 120 GSM are perfect for quilling projects. I am going to do edge quilling. For that I need my paper to be pliable so that when I fold it, it takes the shape perfectly. I apply glue with toothpick and adhere my eyebrow. So my plan is to do the inner part of the figure, that is the eyebrows first, and then go beyond to the hair. Because I'm going to repeat the similar things, apply some glue with toothpick or use tweezers and apply glue exactly on the edge of the paper. I will just speed up the process and let you enjoy seeing how this lady came through. For most of my projects, my cards, I try to do the sentiment first, because after everything is done, I tend to stamp my sentiment a little crooked. Now I realized I may do the same, so let us just stamp the sentiment first. I have this stamp from Craft and I'm going to use the words "You are wonderful" for this project. With VersaFine ink, I'm stamping my sentiment. And now that everything looks okay, I'm going ahead and completing my project. The whole process may take time and also may test your patience, but in the end, the result is just gorgeous. You can frame this piece too. For the 3D effect which edge quilling gives, makes it look wonderful on the wall in a frame. For now, I mount it on a red sheet of paper and the whole thing on a black sheet. And here is my beautiful lady by STAMPlorations. ready in this new form for this Women's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video and would try something similar yourself. I'm linking the supplies used in the description box below and my social media links. Hope you'll check out my work. Also, I am linking about the blog hop, the Instagram hop, and the linky party that we are having for this Women's Day. Be sure to check them out and be a part of this beautiful celebration. Thank you very much for stopping by and for all the love. Have a great day ahead. Happy crafting. Happy Women's Day. And bye-bye.